joining in. We've got about 2 minutes to go for market closing, and it's going to be, I dare say, a good close, a decent close. We're down 125, but up 100 plus points from the day's low, which was made early on at 10 this morning. The picture looked very different as compared to what things are at now. Banks did much better. The Nifty Bank, by the way, the reason I'm saying banks have been doing well as compared to the Nifty is because while the Nifty is not even at the 50% retracement of the full fall from its all-time high, the Bank Nifty is basically taken out at 61.8% retracement. Even last Thursday, it's been above that level, and it's another close above that level for the Nifty Bank. The PSU Bank Index did the most in terms of gains today. The Nifty PSU Bank Index ending about 3.25% in the green. You can throw in the FMCG and real estate indices as well, which are the other gainers that we had today. But IT, Arima, is the big one, which was the reason why markets went into a tailspin early on.
IT index down 4.7 by the close of trade. Even though it recovered from the day's low, the Nifty IT index recovering more than 3% from the lows. It still ends with a sharp cut. Infosys down nearly 10%, Tech Mahindra down 5%, HCL Tech, Wipro seeing cuts ranging between 2 to 3%. On the gaining side, PSU banks led the way. State Bank of India up 2%, but outside of that, look at the PSU banking names. Punjab and Sindh Bank, 18% gain on that. Indian Bank, 8.5% higher. Central Bank, 6% up. Union Bank rallying 5%. So PSU banks have had a solid session in trade. And the other sector which catches your attention are the FMCG names, where the index was up 1%, but heavyweights like Nestle, Britannia, ITC, HCL, all fighting for the bulls. And it's a good comeback, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's a very, very smart fight from the bulls, no taking away from that. Midcap market not bad at all. The midcap index is going home with gains of just about 0.4%. And the market breadth is actually favoring, just about favoring the advances. You can say it's absolutely even Steven as we're ending up. Just some names to end it off. There's a Camlin Fine, for instance, 8.5% up. There's some corporate action there. Promoters are buying stake from the market. VA Techbag about 10% higher. And IOL Chemicals, Tanla Platforms. Of course, the banks, CSB Bank, Central Bank of India. They managed to put on a very good show on a day when the market was otherwise fairly weak and lackluster. RBL Bank, you can add the banks to that list of gainers as we speak. So all in all, a session where the bulls put up a good fight, and let's see if they can build on this tomorrow. Right now, we will take a very quick break. On the other side, we put the spotlight back on the IT space. That's been the big newsmaker of the day. Ravi Menon of Macquarie is going to join in and give us some thoughts on how he reads the picture now that both Infosys and TCS have reported a disappointment.